Hello everyone, my name is Carolina Denhart.
And I'm Caroline Gosselin.
And we are thrilled to be here today to be part of the 2016 Member Choice Awards offered by Believe, Inspire, Grow. We're even more proud to sponsor the Customer Service Award this year. As business owners, customer service is one of the most important things that we can do and develop. From the first impression we make when we walk into a room, to listening to our clients' problems, to solving those problems, it's important to have the skill set and to develop it.
Absolutely. And Carolina and I, about a year ago, saw the value in co-leading a pod of Believe, Inspire, Grow in Millburn Short Hills. We wanted to pool our experiences and resources together to help empower women on their journey of business development. And we have a group of vibrant women who meet monthly here at the Bud Larner offices in Short Hills, and we hope that you'll join us. My name is Caroline Gosselin. I am the head of the Gosselin Group. I am a realtor in northern New Jersey, and I help clients buy, sell, and invest in real estate along the Midtown Direct train line. I have built my business one family at a time as a trusted advisor. Customer service is really at the core of what I do.
This is a part of my everyday. As a divorce attorney with the law firm of Bud Larner in Short Hills, New Jersey, I tackle problems presented by my clients from Monday through Sunday, all hours of the day and night. It's important for me to be able to listen to my clients' needs, take in what they're trying to get out of the court system, create creative solutions, and really manage their expectations. In order to do this effectively, it's important that I'm alert, that I'm in tune, that I'm present, and that I'm empowering to my clients.